guys! It's me again, Regine, and welcome back to What's in MC? I'm back! Okay guys, for today's episode, dadalhin ko po kayo sa Boysen section namin. Tara guys! Welcome to Boysen! Boysen Paints was founded in 1953 and has been manufacturing paint since 1960. By the year 1970, the ingenuity, foresight, and dedication of Boysen made it the market leader in the premium quality paint market, outselling foreign US paint brands. Today, Boysen's continued dedication to customer service and innovation for over 50 years has made it the 51st largest paint company in the world. Boysen Reflectorized Traffic Paint is an alkyd paint developed to endure the rigorous environment and wear and tear of highways, roads, pavements, and parking lots. Boysen Quick Drying Enamel is an alkyd type paint that provides great durability while having the ability to dry quickly. It is formulated to give a tough, durable, beautiful, and high build film on wood and metals. Boysen Roof Guard is a glossy acrylic water-based roof paint designed to protect and adhere to most roof substrates. It gives a durable and flexible film that has a fast drying time and maintains excellent gloss retention. Boysen Permacoat is a 100% acrylic latex paint with excellent durability, resistance to dirt and stains, and a strong ability to hide blemishes. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell.